Hello everybody, welcome to Video Map TV. Today we are live in Benin City. So if you don't have RS 330 and RS 350, this is the right place to buy RS 330 and RS 350, and this is the right dealer to buy from. Let's have your phone number. Your phone number, please.
My phone number is 080 567 32154.
Okay.
This RS 330. We have beautiful white color here. All right. And the engine capacity of this vehicle is 3.3. Okay, 2005 model. Let me clear something here. We have 2004, 2005, and 2006 that make up 330. So from 2007, that one become 350. This is the full auction of it with panoramic. Okay, now let's go inside. Let me take you in. Now you can see inside. This one is full auction, reverse camera. Okay, leather seat, beautiful leather seat. As you can see, beautiful leather seat. Now you can open the panel from here. It goes down. It's automatic opening to just open completely, and you can as well also lock it. It's automatic. All right. Now from there, you can open the boot.
From here?
Yeah, you can open the boot.
Here? Okay, this button.
Yes, once you press the button, then the boot will just open. Look at the back. You have the AC vent, and you can regulate it right from this place.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? Then you don't need, as I earlier said, the boot is just from there. You open it. It goes. So this one is 2005, as I earlier said. It's going for 6 million too. So this is another color of it. Okay, the same panel, the same year, engine capacity 3.3. Okay, it's just that this one is ash color. So we have, all kind of different colors as far as this vehicles is concerned. The same panoramic. Then you can come inside also see what is there. Okay, let me tell you. You can also open it here. This one is black interior. You can see black interior. This one is black interior. You can as well just open it from here. The boot will be open. Now this one is called basic. This one is basic. It's not the same full auction like that because this one does not carry reverse camera. But whatever you see here, it was fixed. So that is different between this one.
Or from abroad.
Yeah, from abroad. Okay, just came like this. They fix it like this. So that is different between this one and that one. The reason is being that if you cannot afford the full auction, you can afford this one because the price of this one and the other one are not the same. Okay, so let me close it and let's go to the back. You can see that. Look at this. This is the DVD. Address DVD where you can just watch from the back. Okay. Yeah.
And that's the AC vent.
Yeah, that is the AC vent. Okay. RS 330 2005, and it's going for 6 million. The difference between this one and the rest is that this one is not panel. It doesn't come with panel. So it's basic. It's not full option. So this one is going for 6 million. So this is RS 350, okay? And it's 2008 model, right? So though it carries the same body like that of 2005, but nevertheless, this is a different body. This is a different one entirely. The engine is quite different. The engine of this one is 2 GRO. Okay, let me open the engine. Look at it. It's 2 GRO. Yes, you can see the year here. It's 2008. Everything by this guy is working perfectly. But let's go in and see the interior. You can see this full option, black in and out. Okay, you can open here. The AC system is working perfectly. The reverse camera is working perfectly. So you have your where you can have your drink. Open here, then you as well close here. Then you can as well open the boot. Okay, from this place. It's automatic. There is roof, window, sun roof. Okay. So let's look at the back. This is the AC vent. This is 2008, as I said. This one is going for 7 million. So it's RS 350, 2008 model. RS 330. 2005 model. Okay, this one is Sport Edition. Okay, the engine capacity is 3.3. All right. It's not panoramic, but it's sport edition. You can look at inside from here, but it's though is basic. All right. All right. So no problem. So this one is going for 6 million. So this one is ROS 350, and this one is 2012 model. All right. Now this car is called machine. It works perfectly. Okay, gives you cool drive. All right. But let me open the engine so that you can see the engine. All Lexus cars are 6-plug. Okay, look at it. When you look at this place, you'll see the year 2012. Okay, let me show you. Oh, okay, I can't just open there, but look at the battery. I don't want to put all those things out. This is where the battery is. All right. Let's take a look. Let's look at inside. It's black in, black out. This AC system is working perfectly. All right. The sound system is bam. There's no error. Look at it. This is the. Then you can open here. Here also it can be opened. Okay. So you can also open your boot from this place. Okay. So let's look at the back. The AC vent. The AC vent is there. Can open this one. This one also can be open where you can put your drink while driving, cruising. So that is it. Now to the back here. So this is TRS 350 2012 model, and it's going for 10,000,005. This is very white. It's RS 350. Okay, this one is 2010 model. Okay, the same engine capacity. All right. So, but let me also put the engine. So look at the engine. Fantastic. So beautiful. You buy a car from us, we can assure you, you will enjoy it.
That's V6 engine.
Yeah. So it's V6 engine. Here you have the battery. All right. Okay. So come here. Come and take a look. Look at it. It's 2010. Okay. So let's go in and see the function. Beautiful for my car. AC system is working. The sound system is perfect. Look at the interior. So beautiful. You see? You can as well open it. They're just the same. The functions are the same thing. Okay. You have steering control. You just say steering control. Then you have your manual there. You can see the leather. The leather is so unique. I'm telling you, the leather is beautiful. I'm telling you. There, here you can control your AC at the back. Okay.
AC vent.
Yes, AC vent at the back. So this is ROS 350 2010 model, and it's going for 10 million. This is another beautiful ROS 350. Okay, and this one is 2011 model. Beautiful color. This one is ash color. But let me open the engine. So beautiful. It's buy and drive. You don't do anything. The only thing you do after buying, you just service your engine. That is all. You introduce your oil. So yes, this is 2011. Please take a look at this place. See how clean the engine is. So this is why people are patronizing us, because they know we sell, you know, beautiful cars here. Okay, let's show you the interior. You can see the interior is black, but ash body, black interior. Fantastic. The system is working perfectly. The ACs are working perfectly. You can see, you can also open here. Then maybe cruise your car. Here you open it and put your drink as you are cruising. Okay, you can as well open the boot from here. Okay, let's look at the back. Yeah, AC vent. Look at everything is beautiful. Everything is good. Okay, so this RS 350 2011 model, and this one is going for 10,000,005. So this is another one, red, beautiful color, RS 350, and this also is 2011. But I would like to open the engine so that you can take a look. Please come closer so you can see. You see it. Then you look at it here. It's there. Look at this place. See how clean the car is. This is why people keep talking about Idris and Son Motors. Look at it. Because we sell durable car. Our cars are durable. Okay. Now, Just look at the beautiful rim. The rim is so beautiful. But let me take you in so that you can see for yourself the interior. Red, black interior, black leather seat, steady control, perfect AC. The AC system is working, the music, the sound system is fantastic. Then you have your manual here. You can also open here, okay? You control it right here to open it. Look at the back first. You can see the AC vent there. You can look at the roof. Okay. Now, let me open the boot. Yes, that is how it's automatic. It's automatic. Okay. So you can as well lock it. The jack, spare tire, everything are there. 2011 model, and it's going for 10 million 5 also. This one is black in and black out. In and out is black, okay? The same engine capacity, okay? But this one is not panel. But this one is complete full auction. Now look inside. Let's go inside and see.
Which year is this?
Yeah, it's also 2005. Is it for my car? Look at the for my car. Look at that. This one is full auction, complete. Okay, but you can as well open here.
But it's not full.
It's not full panel. Okay.
Just sunroof.
Yes, sunroof. Okay. So you can as well open the boot from there. Automatic. This one is full auction. Look at this. The AC vent, beautiful, beautiful black interior. And I can assure you, when you buy this car, you will enjoy it. 2004, 2005, 2006, make up this 330, okay? So it could be 05, it could be 06, it could be 04. So this is 2004, and this one is going for 6 million 2. So this also is another beautiful one, beautiful color. This one is also ash color 330, okay? And the same engine capacity, 3.3. Now this one is not with panel. This one doesn't come, it didn't come with panel. You can see the roof. Fantastic, okay. But I would like you to show you the engine. Let's look at the engine of this one, because we've not really showed the engine. You can see the engine, very clean. Look at the year here. Look at the year. You can see the year. This one is 2004. As I says it, it's 04. You know. So it's V6 engine, 3.3. Let's look at inside. Okay. This one also is not complete full auction. Okay. Even though you can see this reverse camera, it's not full auction. It was also fixed.
Okay.
So it's good people know what they are buying. It's also fixed. So, but they still serve the same purpose. Okay. Now you can see the leather chair of this one, very beautiful, ash color. See the look at the rug. You can see beautiful. Look at, you can open this one from here. Look at it, where you can keep some of your things. The AC vent is also here. Then right from there you can also open the boot automatic. Yeah, so this one is 2004. This is 2004. So this one, 60 million will take this. So this gold color, very light glow, gold. Okay, the same engine capacity. There's no different at all. All right. So the year of this one, let me even first of all show you the engine. Let me show you the engine. So before I tell you about the year.
It's V6.
Yes. Now look at it. This one is 2006. Look at it. This was, I told you 04, 05, 06, they are the same. So this one is 2006. So let's look inside. Let's see the inside. You can see. So this one is full auction.
Okay.
So it's full auction. The same way you open there, you get the boot opened.
Yeah.
So then this one also is not panoramic. It's not panel. Just only sun roof. So you can see the leather seat. Okay. You can see that it carries for my car. Then All of this is just to prevent people from staining the rug because so see how it's well packaged. So this 2006. So this one is going for 6,000,003. So the address of our company is Idris and Son Nigeria Limited.
Let's have your phone number. Your phone
Okay,
number, please.
my phone number is 080
Yeah.
567 32154.
Okay.